Helen with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Good morning. We're taking a live look from our TV tower cam in Winnebago, and what a gorgeous shot. You can see the sun is definitely up now. You're going to need your shades on as you're making your morning commute because it's out there, and it rose a little bit after 6 o'clock this morning. See a little bit of clouds out there, and that's what we're seeing on our Storm Track 3 radar and satellite. A lot of them moved through mainly through the overnight hours, and then when that sun rose, it kind of burned them off a little bit. So yeah, mostly sunny skies this morning. No rain on our radar right now, and temperatures are pretty comfortable. They're in the 60s, a few 70s out there, but not much difference in between the western part and the eastern part of our state. 64 degrees in Asheville, 68 in Charlotte, 69 in Raleigh, and here in the Port City we're sitting at 64 degrees, 68 in Lumberton. Good morning, Elizabethtown and Whiteville. You guys are at 61 degrees in a warm spot in Myrtle Beach this morning. It still feels a little sticky out there with dew points in the lower 60s to some upper 60s out there, but overall it feels a little bit more comfortable compared to yesterday morning. So any break that we can get, it obviously feels really nice. But those elevated humidity levels will continue around as we do have high pressure still continuing to be parked offshore. That's pushing in that southeast to south flow, and that's going to continue that summer-like pattern. We're going to continue it for several more days to come into this weekend. Could see some isolated showers pop off in the afternoon into the day tomorrow as well. The same case really along the inland locations, Lumberton, Elizabethtown, Whiteville. You're at the threat to see some isolated showers, but really only about a 20% chance, so not a huge threat for rain by any means. In the same case into Saturday, Sunday, lots of sunshine, just a few clouds out there mixing in with the daytime heating. So a little change into our pattern, just a few spotty afternoon showers and the warm and humid conditions, typically what you would see during the middle of summer. So temperatures yesterday, 83 degrees. That's what we exactly should be for the late May. And then we started out yesterday morning at 73 degrees. So much comfortable this morning as you're stepping out the door rather than those really warm and humid conditions and no rainfall yesterday. And that's where we're going to find temperatures again today in the lower 80s. 83 degrees is what you'll find closer to the beaches. Partly cloudy skies, very summer-like, but as you move further inland, that's when you see those temperatures really start to creep up near 90 degrees once again with those partly cloudy skies, southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. So definitely a day you want to head out to the beach, or if you have any plans this weekend to do so. Looks like some nice weather in store for you. Tonight, if you want to head out to the Carolina Beach Boardwalk, they have music and fireworks shooting off this afternoon or this evening hours. Nice evening to do that on tap. For our Friday, that's when the Carolina Beach Boardwalk will be all those festivities happening. 84 degrees, 85 for Saturday into Sunday with just a mix of sun and clouds, isolated showers mainly in our inland locations. So all you have to do is just keep an eye on the weather. Otherwise, some nice weather ahead if you want to head out to the beaches. Our beach forecast, 80 degrees, moderate risk for rip currents, 2 feet for our waves as you're wanting to head out in the boat. A nice afternoon to do so as well with those south-southeast winds, 5 to 10 knots, 2 feet for the coastal waters, 3 to 5 for our offshore waters. And like I said, just keeping an eye on the afternoon hours, just about a 20% chance today and through the weekend. But then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that's when those rain chances and storm chances get elevated to a 40% chance on Tuesday and Wednesday. But Monday is the first day of the Atlantic hurricane season. We got our special coming up at 5:30 p.m. And it's just going to be the whole 30-minute block of what you need to know to stay prepared, all about hurricane hunters, even some significant hurricanes that we've had hit here in southeastern North Carolina. So a lot of great stuff in plan for that.
All right, so mark your calendars for Monday at 5:30.